Hello. Last week I had a conversation with my 81-year-old uncle. I told him how I work with many managers and top-level executives. He looked at me in disbelief and said, "Karen, I really don't understand why such a smart person would work with a coach." Uncle Hermann is from a different generation, but at the same time, he is just one example of how many people think. My question for you today: what is smart? Book smart? Street smart? Is it a person who graduated with honors? Is it a person who has a title or a lot of money? Can you assume that every person who has a title is truly well-rounded and smart? Is it all about what you know, or is it also about knowing how to transfer knowledge? Does smart mean knowing what to think or how to think, or both? Is every person you report to necessarily smarter than you? Can someone be so smart that he already sounds dumb again? Does every smart person know how to build rapport and connect with people? Confusing? As you can see, the definition of a smart person in a leadership position isn't quite as simple as being intelligent. Coaching is all about your health and well-being, personal growth, and for many, of course, to help them achieve meaning in their life and professional success. If you want to know why every person should work with a coach, Google it. But today I want to tell you my personal top 3 reasons. Number 1, better mental and emotional health. If you want to learn to take better care of yourself in all aspects of life, manage stress better, and make self-care a higher priority, then coaching is for you. Number 2, better relationships. If you want to understand yourself and others better and create more meaningful relationships, you should consider coaching. Number 3, a more joyful life experience. If you want to be happier and experience more joy in your life, a coach will help you on this journey of self-discovery. If you think like my Uncle Hermann, I encourage you to think again. That's it. If you like this video, please make sure to click like, leave a comment, share with your network, and of course, subscribe. This was my thought for today, and I will see you next week again. Until then, be happy, be healthy, and be at your best.